Apple has officially lifted the curtain on the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max, and these devices are already making waves. Marketed as the most advanced iPhones to date, they introduce a striking redesign, upgraded hardware, and features that push the lineup forward. The question, though, is whether these changes are truly game-changing or just another round of refinements. Let's break it down. This year's family looks a little different. Alongside the base iPhone 17, Apple has added a brand new iPhone Air, which steps in as the replacement for the outgoing Plus model. Still, all eyes are on the Pro series, where Apple has made its boldest moves. The Pro and Pro Max now sport a dramatic redesign. On the back, a wide horizontal camera bar Apple has named the Plateau. Inside are 3 for 8 MP lenses, instantly distinguishing these models from earlier iPhones. It's a fresh look that will split opinions, but it makes a clear statement. Up front, Apple is pushing display technology to new heights. The Pro comes with a 6.3-inch screen, while the Pro Max stretches to 6.9 inches. Both are Super Retina XDR panels with 120Hz ProMotion, always-on support, and an unmatched 3000 nits peak brightness outdoors. Protection is stronger too, with ceramic shield to now covering both the front and back. Performance upgrades take center stage as well. Powering the phones is Apple's A19 Pro chip, promising up to 40% stronger sustained performance compared to last year's A18 Pro. For the first time, an iPhone uses vapor chamber cooling design to keep things running smoothly during heavy gaming or AI workloads. And speaking of AI, memory has been bumped up to 12 GB, ensuring iOS 26's new Apple Intelligence features run seamlessly. With a 6-core CPU, GPU with ray tracing, and a 16-core neural engine, these devices are clearly built for next-gen performance. Battery life is another highlight. Apple also upgraded charging, with a 40W adapter that can hit 50% in about 20 minutes, a long-awaited improvement. Design materials have shifted too. Apple has dropped titanium in favor of aluminum, making the phones lighter while also improving heat management when combined with the new cooling system. The antenna system has also been re-engineered for the best wireless performance yet. For photography, the upgrades are hard to miss. That gives Apple its longest optical zoom yet, even surpassing Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra at 5x, while Apple's enhanced photonic engine promises truer colors and less noise. Up front, the 1.8 MP center stage camera delivers wider selfies, auto expands to fit groups. Genlock support also makes it possible to sync multiple cameras, giving professionals serious creative flexibility. iOS 26 comes preloaded, introducing the new liquid glass aesthetic, on-device live translation, smarter visual search, and offline AI tools designed around privacy. Updates also arrive for Maps, Apple Music, Wallet, CarPlay, and a new Apple Games Hub. Accessories have been refreshed too. Apple unveiled a new tech-woven case with a textured fabric finish, alongside redesigned clear silicone MagSafe options. There's also a recycled yarn crossbody strap for those who prefer carrying their iPhone hands-free. Finally, storage and pricing. The iPhone 17 Pro begins at 256 GB, while the Pro Max pushes storage limits, with the record-breaking to terabytes option, the first on any flagship phone. Prices start at $1,099 for the Pro, $1,199 for the Pro Max, and climb to $1,999 for the 2 TB version. Pre-orders open September 12th, with global availability on September 19th. So is it worth the upgrade for iPhone 14 users or older? The improvements in performance, but the steep price will be hard to ignore. Either way, Apple has once again set a new benchmark for what its flagship can do.